For this illusion look, we actually will be going in with the Illusion Beauty and Body Makeup Palette by Mimi Choi and Mehron. And the top row is actually the Celebrate Pro HD Cream Foundation. The middle row is the Paradise Makeup AQ Face and Body Paint, which is so amazing. And the bottom row is actually a mixture of the Mehron Eye Powder Shadows and the Intense Pro Pressed Pigments. So just to start off this look, anytime I'm doing any type of illusions, I like to just grab a white eyeliner pencil or anything that you might have that's easily can be taken off without really ruining makeup if you have it on like I do here. And I like to just outline the lines where I'm going to be laying them, so that way instead of going in with a harsh black or brown, I like to do this first so I can kind of see where everything is going to lay on the face, and then if I have to move it around, I can easily by just wiping it off. So this look is actually inspired by Mimi herself. She is an amazing illusionist makeup artist, and this palette is really great for any beginner illusionist or even advanced illusionist. So if you're looking to just start doing illusion makeup, or if you have been doing it, I highly recommend this palette just because it has like literally every staple eyeshadow and paint from Mehron that you would need to create an illusion. So for this look, we are trying to create an illusion that there is a mask sitting on top of our face. And as you guys can see here, I kind of go back and forth with where my lines are going to lay, which is really great, you guys. That's why I use the white, so I can go ahead and just take it off if I need to move it. So I am going to be going in with the Paradise AQ paints from Mehron from that palette, and I'm just going to go ahead and start filling in the black area. Again, this is going to be like an illusion that the face is actually starting from right there. So I just wanted to leave these parts in for you guys to show you that with illusion makeup, at least for me, because I'm not, you know, really advanced with illusions, that you have to go back and forth, kind of switching things up just to make sure it looks right. So usually I will just take a break for a second and look at what is going on, and if some things need to be changed, then that's when I will go in and change it. So now I'm going in with the dark brown Paradise AQ paints, and I'm just going to be lining that line where the face mask will be, and then I will be going in with the white, and you want to just highlight the areas next to the line to kind of give it the illusion that it's the skin or the mask is kind of popped up. So to give the illusion that this is actually a mask that is sitting on top of your face, you want to go in and shade underneath those lines. So I'm going to be going in with the Mehron eyeshadow, eye powders in the Espresso, and I'm just going to be using that and laying it underneath the line that we just did with the dark brown, just to make it look like there is a shadow, and again that the mask is laying on top of your face. So with any illusion look, you just want to make sure that you are having a lot of depth. So for this, I'm going in with the Intense Pressed Pigments from Mehron. This one is in Carbon, and I'm just going to be laying that right down there on top of that shadow and underneath the brown, the dark brown line that we laid down. Again, this is going to help it look more as if it is a mask laying on the face. And with the shadow, as you guys can see here, I did leave a little bit of it opened at the top. Again, because a natural shadow wouldn't go all the way up to the top. So you just have to keep those kind of things in mind when creating an illusion makeup look. And even at the top, I am just going to be adding shadow right next to where the fake forehead is a little bit, because it wouldn't necessarily add shadow all the way to the end. So to make the mask look as if it's popping out on the chin as well, I'm going to be going in with the dark brown Paradise AQ paints as well, and I'm just kind of going to be creating a fake chin where the underneath face would lay, so that way the chin mask will actually pop out more. Again, adding some more depth, I'm going to be going in with the Intense Pro Pigment in Carbon, and I'm just going to be laying down somewhat of a shadow down there where the mask lays. And if you guys wanted to, you could do the mask all around the face. For me, whenever I do any type of illusion looks, I kind of just work on the area where I will be taking the picture, because you're not going to see the other side of my face, so I don't feel the need to go in and do the other side. But if you are wanting to do it from all angles, you can go in and do this as well on the other side to create the mask. So a lot of times when I'm doing any type of illusion looks, I like to grab my phone and take a picture, and then I will just look at the picture just to see what areas maybe need to change or be darkened or lightened. I feel like this really helps a lot. And now I'm going to be going in with the black from the Paradise AQ paints again, and we're just going to be drawing a line where the mask is going to be connected to your actual face. So here is going to be basically the hole where the string is, and then I'm just going to create a black string right there that's going to go into my hairline again, so it looks like there's actually a mask tied on. I will be creating some highlights with the AQ paints in white. So once that's done, I actually did decide to add a little bit more black on the other side of the face, but that actually completes the look, you guys. So if you are just starting out with illusion makeup, this is definitely a great look to try out and kind of just get the feel for it. But I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video. Thank you so much.